Police have dismantled a drug syndicate following the arrest of 6 suspects and the seizure of 37.8 kilograms of methylene-deoxy N-hydroxy-N methylamphetamine worth 6.3 million ringgit. Penang Police Chief Commissioner Datuk Hamzah Ahmad said all suspects were apprehended during a raid by the State Narcotic Criminal Investigation Department between 2 p.m. on Tuesday and 4:30 a.m. on Wednesday.
Telah berjaya menangkap 6 lelaki warga negara tempatan berumur antara 33 tahun hingga 41 tahun di sekitar kawasan Georgetown, Pulau Penang yang terlibat dengan aktiviti pengedaran darah.
Commissioner Hamzah said police, based on intelligence work, detained a suspicious man during the first raid at a roadside in Georgetown. Despite initially resisting arrest, the suspect led police to a public car park in Georgetown, where they discovered drugs packaged in a car.
Butiran rampasan dadah adalah seperti berikut. Yang pertama, 2 beg kain bertulisan Willis Grocer bersih, dalamnya mengandungi 532 paket warna ungu dan keemasan berisi serbuk MDMA disyaki berandalan berat 18,420 gram SPF tanks golongan. Di dalamnya mengandungi 777 paket plastik berbagai warna berisi berbagai serbuk MDMA anggaran berat 19,380 gram.
Police also confiscated a plastic package containing paper and plastic bags intended for couriering the drugs to their customers. Following the discovery, police arrested another 5 suspects in different locations in Georgetown. He said police believe the syndicate used the car to store the drugs. During the raid, police confiscated 7 vehicles, jewelry and cash. Police believe the syndicate has been active since early this year.
Kita percayai bahawa penyalahgunaan dadah sejenis ini banyak digunakan di tempat-tempat hiburan.
5 of the suspects tested negative for benzo and ketamine and also have prior criminal and drug records.
Semua tangkapan ditahan selama 7 hari bermula 21 Mei 2005 sehingga 27 Mei 2005 untuk siasatan.
The case is being investigated under Section 39B of the Dangerous Drugs Act 1952, which provides for the death sentence or life imprisonment upon conviction.